Hi, I'm Justin with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to install the superior Mossy Oak Ventless gas log set. Today, we'll be working with the MNF30 IPV version gas logs. The first step is to have your gas professional install the gas line to this side of the burner. From there, you'll set your burner in place on the hearth and install your gas logs. Now let's install the gas logs. Now that the logs are in place, you're going to need to mark the location of the burner. Using a permanent marker, you're going to mark the two holes on the right-hand side of the burner. With the location now marked, remove each one of the gas logs and the burner from the hearth. With everything removed, you're going to screw two holes into the marked spots on the hearth. Then you can place the burner back. At this point, using the two masonry screws, you can now screw into the two marked spots on the burner. With the burner screwed into the hearth, it's now time to place the logs back on. Lastly, you'll take the included lava rock and spread it on both sides and the front of the burner along the hearth. And that is everything you need to know when installing your superior Mossy Oak Ventless gas log set. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.